Hello to all the viewers out there from Learner's Deck, and today we'll be focusing on the delivery details and how the weekly delivery calculators can be generated within Google Sheets. So let's start from a blank scratch Google Sheet. The very first thing that we always do is change the name of the sheet. In this case, we'll rename it as weekly. Most of the project these days are actually monitored on weekly basis, and you always start by saying the blah project was started on CW4 and it was ended on CW49. So let's see by starting a sample data. The very first column has a starting date, the second one has an ending date, and this will have the start week, the end week. So there are a couple of benefits which we can actually yield from this data. Let's see what are these. So if the project was started on 4/11/2019 and if it was ended on 9/9/2019, let's see what happens and what is the actual figure. The formula that we'll be using here is Weeknum, Weeknum. There are two arguments within this formula. The first argument is the starting date, and the second argument is actually an optional argument. So if you will not select anything in the second argument, Google Sheet will automatically start your week from Sunday, or you can put the default value, which is 1, and it will mean that the week starts from Sunday, which is same. So let's do it. So it says that the project was started in the 15th week of 2019. Let's see when it was ended. It was ended, we'll skip the optional argument. It was ended in the 37th week. So week difference will let you know how many weeks were consumed or utilized within this particular project or particular task. We'll just use the simple minus sign. So it says that this project was actually done within 22 weeks. How interesting. See, most of the deadlines or the due dates in today's digital era are actually provided on weekly basis, and how these weekly calendars are being generated. So this is a wonderful feature which Google Sheet has. So you can use it within your projects and start by sending over the details like this, and you'll have the week difference as well, which will make sure that your targets are always met. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you have clicked the like button on our YouTube channel, which is Learner's Deck.